you want verified, reach out directly with your questions. You can find me on Facebook and Twitter at Adam Longo TV or email the team, verify@WUSA9.com.
Remember when D.C. looked like this? Yeah, well, neither do we. But you could say the National Mall is returning to its roots. The Smithsonian just expanded its gardens with the goal of preserving our national treasure and protecting our wildlife, making our city even more beautiful. Well, that's the D.C. thing. Here's Mike Valerio.
When you're walking the National Mall, your eyes might bug out at its latest additions.
We are doing something brand new. This is a first for Smithsonian Gardens.
Yes, giant bird nests, stunning sculptures, all part of an effort to send a singular message. Protecting habitats protects life.
To go from an idea, a rendering, a photo, to reality is such an exciting thing to see.
They are a conservation dream team. Brett, James, Maurisa, and Barbara, all working to reimagine the Smithsonian's gardens. You'll see their work in this grasshopper sculpture, where space is cut out for insects to live. They'll pollinate these beautiful flowers, creating a mall that's a little more sustainable and a little more wild.
We're having 25 million visitors downtown that are seeing our gardens, and we really want to create something that brings all of them in.
That explains the dramatic sculptures, arches of life, the giant mushroom, and nests that get your attention.
I keep hearing over and over, look at that big nest, and that is a joy.
They highlight habitats to focus on fragility, so we don't forget about our national and natural treasures.
I don't want people to miss how fragile and interconnected habitats are to us.
On the National Mall, Mike Valerio, WUSA 9.
Had a great day to shoot that, too.
Sure did.
It was gorgeous.
Did. We can do it again tomorrow. We'll copy it
Why
tomorrow.
not? Let's do it. Let's just
maybe
keep it going.
A couple degrees warmer tomorrow. And then it's going to get a little bit more like summer. In fact, I suspect it'll be too hot for some, but you know what I say, bring it on after that rainy Mother's Day weekend we had with temps in the 50s, and I wanted to build a fire. I didn't have enough firewood, or I would have. All right, tomorrow morning at the bus stop. Now, we were very chilly this morning, low 40s this morning, not nearly as chilly tomorrow morning. We're looking at temperatures in the 50s to start, low 50s in the burbs, upper 50s downtown. If you're north of town, Gaithersburg North, you could have a sprinkle early on, then we're in great shape. 73 by lunchtime and 76 as the kids head home. So all in all, a fantastic bus stop forecast. Now, let's talk about temperatures because tomorrow will be about average, 77, 76 right now is average. And then we jump to 83 on Friday, 85 on Saturday, near 90 on Sunday, 86 on Monday. And as you might expect, as we get into the 80s and near 90, the threat of showers and storms roll in here. Now, the question is that crazy to hit 90 degrees over the weekend? What's our average? Well, actually, it's pretty much spot on average. The average day we hit our first 90-degree reading, May 18th. The earliest was March 22nd back in 1907, and the latest was July 12th in 1979. That sounds comfortable, doesn't it? But not this year. All right, headlines, we're in good shape. Just a couple showers tomorrow, not worthy of a yellow weather alert, and I think D.C. South will have nothing. And then still nice for everybody, temps in the 70s. And isolated afternoon storms on Friday, but still nice, we're in the 80s. And then the weekend, I changed it to very warm to hot. It's going to be hot with some afternoon showers and storms, 85 to 90. I think it's going to be a little wetter for the Preakness Saturday than it will be on Sunday. All right. Here's Futurecast. All the showers. This is 6 o'clock in the morning, primarily north of town. Temps in the 50s, and then that's pretty much it. By 9 o'clock, they're essentially gone, low to mid 60s. By lunchtime, just gorgeous. Sunshine, low to mid 70s. These numbers running a little bit low. I think more like 76 by 6 o'clock, maybe even 77, certainly 77, 78 in Fredericksburg. But what a gorgeous evening. A nice light northwest wind and temperatures in the 70s with full sun. Pretty good deal. All right, so 77 tomorrow, 83 on Friday. Now, we will monitor Saturday for a yellow weather alert because of the Preakness and showers and storms. 85 right now. Sunday, again, we're near 90 with just isolated storms, then more scattered storms on Monday, and we're going to keep Tuesday and Wednesday dry. But notice the 80s, once they roll in here Friday, set up camp for a while.
All right, so the Caps have stopped playing, but Ovi is still making news.
The dude's not done. You know, Alex Ovechkin, he's known for scoring a bunch of goals, but wait until you see the incredible play he made from the bench in this game. That's next in sports.
DC isn't for the faint of heart. We're original. We know what's right, and we know what's